I love traveling, but I absolutely hate packing because I am 100% an overpacker. So I found these travel roll-up compression bags, and I'm going to give them a try. They come in a pack of 16, so you have 4, 6, and 6 of the different sizes. So we've got a small, we've got a medium, and we've got a large. So I have these 2 sweaters here. So we're going to go ahead and give these a try. I just like looking at it. I have realized that the air just kind of seeps out from the top here. There's a little bit of a hole, but no air can actually go in because we are going to be vacuum sealing these clothing into here without actually using a vacuum, which I think is pretty cool. So we're going to take these. We're going to open this up. We're going to lay one in here. So this is meant to just like save us a ton of space in our suitcase. And actually, now that I'm thinking about it, this would save me a ton of space in my closet as well. So if these work, it'd be really nice to have some like vacuum seal bags without actually a vacuum. So we can see it takes up quite a bit of space right here. So all you're meant to do is kind of run this across 2 or 3 times. You want to make sure it is nice and sealed, which it is. And then we're just going to start rolling. So let's see. Let's roll, roll, roll. And then at the bottom, it's just going to kind of pop. There we go. See, that air is coming out. So on this first try, it does take some muscle. But I mean, obviously, because we're vacuum sealing it and I'm not a vacuum, right? But, oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. So, oh, okay. So it gets a little bit tougher towards the end. I'm literally just like throwing all of my weight on there. But check this out. Oh, hey, that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's vacuum sealed without actually using a vacuum. So that's really neat for traveling in your suitcase. Definitely something that I'm going to try on my next trip. Pretty cool. So these are the travel roll-up compression bags.